Hello, welcome to Geeking Out with Shad. I'm super stoked. I just got the new GoPro Hero11 Black. I don't know why they do the black designation. They used to have different levels of GoPros. For some reason, they still maintain that black edition. Maybe they'll someday go back to having these different levels, but whatever. The last one I had was a 9, and I've been using that like crazy. I love it. My favorite camera by far. I skipped the Hero 10 because it didn't seem to have enough like updates. I heard about overheating things. It wasn't a big enough jump above the 9 that made me want to use it. But let's look at the two cameras side by side. So here's a 9 and here's the 11. The 11 has blue. I don't know what the 10 has. Maybe that has blue. They both they're almost identical. Like the outside, I don't notice a difference. They both have the little flip out mount. Same screen, same, power buttons and everything. And this is where the battery and memory card go. Exactly the same. So I like that for the sake is I'm really familiar with how to use this, especially when I'm not looking at it. So I really like that. The biggest thing about the Hero 11 that made me want to get it is it has a bigger sensor in it. And the bigger sensor gives you much better quality footage, especially in varied lighting. But it also allows for faster frame rates, things like that. And so you can do slow motion 240 frames per second at 2.7K, which is phenomenal. So you can get some really good crisp slow motion footage with this thing. So I'm not going to go crazy on all the specs of this. I'll put the specs down in the description. You can go on YouTube right now and you can find all kinds of people going off about the specs. It is almost identical to the controls. This is in pro mode. I get to set all my settings in here. I love that. I leave it in activity usually, but I can do all these preset modes. So I can just select that, scroll to the mode that I want. So for like slow motion, all I have to do is select the slow motion mode and then set it up and take my footage. I don't have to like monkey around with all these settings, which is kind of what the beginner mode or easy mode is for the camera, which I don't understand why the easy mode seems harder to me than the pro mode, because in the pro mode, once you get all your stuff set up, it's good. It's got the front camera. That's super awesome, so I can see myself. One of the things that's nice about the GoPro that I really like is I can leave it off and I can have it on my chest, on my helmet, wherever, and all I have to do is push this top button and then it starts recording, and then I push the top button again and then it stops recording. This one's been super reliable with that. I mean, very rarely have I ever had it act funky and fail. So I'm hoping the 11 is just as reliable. Anyway, so my plan is I'm going to go to the skate park with my BMX bike, do some footage with this, show you the footage, because that's what really matters. So what does the footage look like? And I want to do some 2.7K, 240 slow motion of me doing a trick and see what it looks like. It's kind of cloudy out and gloomy outside, so that's really going to test the sensor in this. Is the footage going to still look good if it's not bright and sunny out? We'll see. So let's go hit the skate park and show you some footage from this thing. Chesty, slow motion, a couple other angles. Let's do it. I heard that, I didn't see it. Oh, almost. Oh, almost.
Pretty low down there, isn't it?
Yeah. Little one.
A little bit.
Okay, so this is 5.3K, 30 frames per second and wide. All I'm gonna do is like just scan around and just see. It's like hazy out, so let's just see how the colors go. So my BMX frame is more like a military green, olive drab, whatever you want to call it, and then you got it against the grass, so you can kind of see the two different shades there. And looking through at least what I see on the GoPro, it looks pretty good, but we'll know once I upload it on a computer. But you got the Thrasher logo. That's like a really bright yellow with red outlining, so let's see if that sticks out, you know, just things like that. See what the color quality is. So it's a little darker over to my right in the trees, and then it gets much brighter over here. So there's the water. So yeah, there we go. Hero11. Got to see some slow-mo of me doing a feeble and then a feeble to Smith. I didn't stick the Smith like for very long. I landed in it and came out right away. And then some FPV footage of me in the pool over there. Cool. Okay, you might be able to tell this is the next morning. Got my coffee. So, been working on this video. I got the Hero11 right here, and I really like it. I mean, I use it just like I used my last GoPro, but it's quite a bit faster, and the quality seems really good. Not that the quality was ever bad, especially on the Hero 9, but it's just that much better. It's quite impressive in that 240 frames per second slow motion in the higher resolution is super impressive. I love it. So yeah, Hero11. I want to show you a quick clip of this Hero11 Mini, I think they're calling it, on the GoPro site. So let's do that. Okay, so here it is. This is the Hero11 Mini. Comes out, looks like October 25th, so I'm pretty excited to get one of these. It's kind of unfortunate because that's getting near end of season. I might be able to do some mountain biking in the fall leaves with it. And we come down and check I'm going to show you the part that I'm really excited about. This is all on their website, but this right here. So the dual mounting fingers are going to be kind of a game changer in the sense of mounting it on my helmet. I thought they showed a picture of somebody mounting it. Yeah, right here, right above it. So this kind of ability to mount it differently on a helmet versus this one where it's only on the bottom. I'm in that little corner video showing you the regular Hero 11. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about mainly this and it being smaller and lighter. The battery's built in, things like that, and it'll just be super slick to use for that. Right now I use the Insta360 Go 2, and it's not that great of a camera. I mean, it does okay, but it's kind of flaky sometimes. Sometimes it records, sometimes it doesn't. The battery doesn't last very long. It has limited length clips, all that stuff. So decent camera for short little quick shots, maybe doing drone footage or something. But the Insta360 Go 2 is not gonna be as cool as this bad boy. So there you have it. That is the GoPro Hero 11 in use. I'll have all the specs on this in the comments, or even probably better yet, what I'll probably do is just link to the specs, because it just you know, if you're interested in something like this, you just go to the GoPro website and check it out, right? But super impressive camera. I really like it. It's just gonna up the quality of my footage a little bit, mainly for my other channel. If you don't know about my other channel, it's Shad Life. It's all biking and a lot of my activity stuff. So it's quite different than this channel. This is kind of all my stuff I like to geek out on, talk about. And that channel is pretty focused on mostly biking. There's a couple other things in there, but biking. And I have some drone stuff over there, but I'll probably move that drone stuff over here, or start doing it over here. I'm not going to move the footage over here. But anyway, I really appreciate your support for my channel. If you like this kind of content, I'm pretty raw. I don't fancy things up too much, and I just say it like it is, and that's how I like to do things. Please like and subscribe. I'm actually growing viewers on this channel now. I think the last I checked was almost to 100, being that I really only started pushing this channel about a month ago, much harder. That's pretty fast. I mean, it'll grow quicker. So yeah, awesome. You can be one of the first to join, and my content will probably just get better as I go, just like my other channel did. Sweet.